Hello, Professor. This is Ramavati. The main purpose of this presentation is to talk about action rule example. Action rule. It is a special type of rule, and these rules can be constructed from classification rules to suggest a way to reclassify objects to a desired state. Examples. Reclassification in e-commerce application may imply that a client who was previously uninterested in a product could now purchase it and therefore fall into a category of more profitable consumer. Reclassification in medical domain could relate to how to shift a tumor classification from dangerous to harmless. Coming to practical examples of action rule, let us consider two databases. Using these, certain action rules are extracted. The databases are binding to thrombin database, which is used for drug design and provided as a part of KDD Cup 2001 competition. It is the first database used in this competition, and the database contains 1909 chemicals that were investigated for their capacity to bind to a specific location on thrombin. Drugs are typically a small organic molecules. Researchers now figure out the difference between active and inactive chemicals. This information may be utilized to create new molecules that not only bind but also have all other features that a medication requires, like oral absorption, lack of side effects, and toxicity. With KDD Cup 2001, the goal is to find out which of these features are important in this scenario. The class attributes as values A for active and I for inactive, is used as a reclassification attributes for the action rules in the testing, and it is located in the database. In this method, it is recommended to the user which molecule features need to be modified to reclassify the chemical molecules from inactive to the active for it to attach to the thrombin, and it is stored in the database by converting inactive molecules to active. By using software, we can find the lowest cost reclassify for a binding a thrombin database. We are given decision attribute activity value from 0 value to 1 and data file equal to thrombin. Number of objects in database is 1908, and we are also given minimum confidence and minimum feasibility. Using these properties, we derived action rules to find the goal node. Here we got two values. Using these two values, we find out the minimum cost. Among these two, the minimum rule is 0.99824. Using this value, we can find the minimum cost of binding a thrombin database. Now let us consider another example, insurance company benchmark database. It is related to financial domain, which is utilized in Code 2000 challenge. There are 5,822 tuples in the data. The product usage and cultural data derived from the zip code are among the characteristics. A Dutch data mining firm provided the data which is used in the real world business issue. During testing, the users are requested that the attribute contribution core values be reclassified from a value of 5 to a value of 6. Similarly, we need to calculate the lowest cost reclassifier for the insurance company benchmark database. Will take values from 5 and value need to reclassify 6 and minimum confidence and minimum support and data file equal to insurance company. Using these properties, we will calculate the lowest cost reclassifier for the insurance company benchmark database. These are the examples of action rules. Thank you.